The indoor unit heat exchangers are charged with dry nitrogen and a trace amount of helium at very high pressures in preparation for leakage testing. Each indoor unit heat exchanger is put into a vacuumed lead detection chamber where ultra-sensitive sniffers are used to detect even 3 single molecules of leaked helium. Computers record each tested component's serial number and release only those that pass the test for assembly. After the heat exchanger, cross-flow fan and fan motors are inserted into the indoor unit casing, and electronic controller boxes are added with strict controls to prevent damage by an accidental static electricity discharge. Afterwards, a dielectric strength test, also known as HIPOT, is conducted to verify the integrity and safety of all electrical circuitry, after which the matched serial numbers are then scanned into the ERP system. Each unit is then tested by an automated system for infrared signal transmission and processing. The front panels and accessories are then added, and final product codes and serial numbers are scanned for permanent record keeping to comply with ISO 9002 quality control regulations. After a final packing, automated stapling, taping, and strapping of the product, the cartons are then ready for shipment.